does dates though.
She does dates though?
She's fucking did her shot.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she got it.
I'm trying to make sure she's alright.
Yeah, she got it. I've been watching her.
She not overdosing, you know, right? I got Narcan and stuff.
You can give me one, but I'm not gonna give it to her. She play. That's just like me. I wish I would have took it to my crib or she was gonna do this. But like that's me. I get one bag a day usually, but I go home, bro, and I smoke it, and then I go out. But this shit's got tranking. It just puts you out.
Oh, it puts all of y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all should have went home and did this.
That's what I said. I didn't know she was gonna fucking get out like this. She got her stamp. She smoked it. They said, "Sure."
All right, I'm gonna be back around. Make sure y'all all right.
All right, dude.
She's young. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you okay? You okay, man?
That's the same girl we interviewed before.
Oh yeah, I remember her. You alright, my boy? So you down over here for a minute, just making sure you're good. You good, G? You good?
Why are you recording?
I'm not recording.
Yeah, you are fucking recording. Fuck.
What about her? Oh my God. She's not looking too good. She's not looking too good. Excuse me, miss. I know you mad at me, but what about your friend right here?
Get the fuck away from me.
Gotta help her, man.
Sorry, knock that fucking phone out of your hand.
All right, I'm about to call 911. Y'all just gonna leave her like this?
Why? She's fine, bro.
I'm talking about for the... She's fine. Look at her.
It's strange. It's supposed to be strange.
She don't look too fine. Come look at her. Come look at her.
I don't know. She's breathing, bro. What's up, man? She's high, bro.
Saying you alright? Yeah. Making sure you good, bro. You gotta get her up, Brody. She can't be like that. You gotta get up, man. Make sure you alright. Is he alright?
Hey, yo, you alive? Yo.
Hey, bro.
Yo, bro.
Stop kicking him. Stop kicking him. Yeah, man. Anybody got Narcan? Anybody got some Narcan?
Yo, anybody got Narcan?
Yo. Yo.
I'm about to just call 911 for him. On the phone with the paramedics for you, bro. We gonna get you some help, man. Ain't just gonna leave you like this. We gonna get you some help, buddy. Everybody else just left him. Well, they ain't leaving, but probably just walked by like he was alright. He's obviously not alright.
I got it right here.
You got Narcan?
I got it.
Go and hit him with it, you money, hit him. Yeah, give him some sternum rubs.
I'm worried.
Hold on.
He's still breathing. There you go.
Damn, bro, you alright? How you feeling? Excuse me, miss, are you okay? You alright, man? Excuse me, miss, are you alright, mister? Miss. You okay? Just making sure you're alright. You okay? You okay? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Patty, get up, Patty.
You're in front of someone's property, man.
What's up?
This is regular?
She was up.
She won't stop?
She was up 5 minutes ago.
Oh, she was up 5 minutes
sleep,
ago.
yeah. She asked me for water earlier.
Okay. This happen often?
All the time.
Falling